Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you. This is the Rokform protective case for your Samsung S22 Ultra smartphone. Guys, nice case. But what I like about this one is a magnetic. This is a magnet right here. This is a magnet right here also. Now this one you can take out if you like. There's some more attachments you can have for your Rokform case. And you just put it back in there, slide it on back in there. It snaps back in place. Uh, this is what I can say about this case is that it's hard where it needs to be hard. I think this is a carbon fiber, and it's soft where it needs to be soft, where your phone might hit if it drops. But it's smooth on the inside, guys. Just pop your phone in there, you'll be good to go. And that's your review for today. You guys make it a great day.